Flowsavvy tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to use Flowsavvy, a smart time blocking and scheduling app that helps you automatically plan your tasks and optimize your daily schedule. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up Flowsavvy, create tasks, integrate it with your calendar, and manage your time more effectively. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do once on Flowsavvy, you're going to tap on Get Started Free. From there, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. So this is your Flowsavvy dashboard. Once on your dashboard, all you'll need to do now, you can start adding your first task. So you could go over to the top right hand corner and tap on the plus. Then from there, you could give your task a name. So let's say, for example, record video. I could type in record video right here. After doing that, from there, you can select how long you will need to record the video. So let's say 1 hour. After doing that, also, I can tap when would be the due date. So let's say it will be due tomorrow. Then from there, you can tap on more options. And you can see right here, can be started now, or you can select the date that you would like to start. You can also scroll down, and if it is a recurring task, you could select recurring right here. You can select whether it will repeat, better yet, every day, weekly, bi-weekly, or so on. And you can also scroll down and you could split up the task in different timing. So you can do that right there. You can also choose the color that you would like to use. Once you're finished setting it up, you'll tap on Add. And you're going to see that we have created our first task. Now, after you have created your task, what I want you to do next, you want to go over to the top right hand corner once more. Then from there, you can tap on the 3 dashes. After you have tapped on the 3 dashes, you can tap on To-Do List. And this is where you'll be able to view your different tasks. After doing that, you can tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. You can create more tasks. You can also tap on Events, and you can create an event, as you can see right there. And also, you may be wondering what is personal hours. Well, personal hours can be arranged by simply going over to the right hand column. From the right hand column, you can tap right where you see Settings. After tapping on Settings, you're going to tap right where you see Scheduling Hours. And you can tap right where you see Personal Hours. And this is where you'll be able to set up your personal hours when you would be free. And then after setting up your personal hours, you can go back. And then you could select Work Hours. And you could select Make Work Hours. And then you'll tap on it. And from here, you'll be able to set up the hours that you'll be able to work. So for example, let's say the hours that you're at your 9 to 5. Or if it is a case that you're a freelancer or a business owner, so your schedule fluctuates, you can put in the time that you would like to schedule for work. So you can add it right here. So you can set up different priorities, as you can see right here. Your personal hours, your work hours, mornings, evenings, and you can also add different timing. Keep in mind, with the free plan, you can only select one of these time slots. So you'll need to go onto your pro plan, where you'll be able to add all 5 or even more. But you can use, for example, work hours, and from there you can set different tasks. And with their feature that is called auto scheduling, it will automatically fill things into your free time. So you can see the option right here, auto schedule. It will automatically fill in time. Once you have toggled this on, you can tap on recalculate. So if, for example, you had scheduled a task and the time had passed and you had not completed the task, you could tap on recalculate and it will fit it in a different free time. So with this platform, you'll always be able to maneuver around and you'll be able to calculate when you have free time, and it will also notify you when you need to complete a task. And if we were to tap on the task that we have created, as you can see right here, once you have completed the task, as you can see, I've completed, you can choose how long you have completed. So for example, if you have completed 5 minutes out of the task, you could select that. If it is a case that you have completed the task completely, you could tap right here and tap on I have record video. You could tap on the circle and you'll realize that it has been removed, as you can see right there. And you can also add notes at the bottom. So you could add in a note right here. You could also add in a link. So for example, if you would like to add in a video link, you could tap right there and you could add in a video link. You can also monitor your inbox by tapping on inbox from the top right hand corner. And you can also tap on schedule and you can create your schedule just like what I showed you. And by tapping on settings, you will be able to add different calendars. By tapping on the plus where you see add account, you can add different calendars as you can see right there. Whether it will be your Gmail account, iCloud calendar, or your Outlook calendar. You can integrate different calendars right there. And that's basically it when it comes on to Flowsavvy. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.